Tom can do that faster than me. Tom can do that faster than me. Tom can do that without my help. Tom can do that without my help. Tom can do that, but Mary can't. Tom can do that, but Mary can't. Tom could probably do that alone. Tom could probably do that alone. Tom couldn't make Mary do that. Tom couldn't make Mary do that. Tom definitely plans to do that. Tom definitely plans to do that. Tom definitely wanted to do that. Tom definitely wanted to do that. Tom didn't do that deliberately. Tom didn't do that deliberately. Tom didn't do that. I did. Tom didn't do that. I did. Tom didn't need to do that today. Tom didn't need to do that today. Tom doesn't believe I'll do that. Tom doesn't believe I'll do that. Tom doesn't do that very often. Tom doesn't do that very often. Tom doesn't have time to do that. Tom doesn't have time to do that. Tom doesn't let his kids do that. Tom doesn't let his kids do that. Tom doesn't want to do that alone. Tom doesn't want to do that alone. Tom doubts that Mary can do that. Tom doubts that Mary can do that. Tom gets paid a lot to do that. Tom gets paid a lot to do that. Tom has a lot of time to do that. Tom has a lot of time to do that. Tom has enough time to do that. Tom has enough time to do that. Tom has to tell Mary to do that. Tom has to tell Mary to do that. Tom hasn't asked me to do that. Tom hasn't asked me to do that. Tom is almost ready to do that. Tom is almost ready to do that. Tom is going to do that for sure. Tom is going to do that for sure. Tom is helping Mary do that too. Tom is helping Mary do that too. Tom is now old enough to do that. Tom is now old enough to do that. Tom is old enough to do that now. Tom is old enough to do that now. Tom is prepared to do that now. Tom is prepared to do that now. Tom is reluctant not to do that. Tom is reluctant not to do that. Tom is sure Mary should do that. Tom is sure Mary should do that. Tom is too busy to do that now. Tom is too busy to do that now. Tom is too confused to do that. Tom is too confused to do that. Tom is too drunk to do that now. Tom is too drunk to do that now. Tom is too frightened to do that. Tom is too frightened to do that. Tom isn't able to do that today. Tom isn't able to do that today. Tom isn't likely to do that again. Tom isn't likely to do that again. Tom isn't likely to ever do that. Tom isn't likely to ever do that. Tom knows who's going to do that. Tom knows who's going to do that. Tom looked reluctant to do that. Tom looked reluctant to do that. Tom may be reluctant to do that. Tom may be reluctant to do that. Tom may not be willing to do that. Tom may not be willing to do that. Tom needs to do that pretty soon. Tom needs to do that pretty soon. Tom never wants to do that again. Tom never wants to do that again. Tom planned to do that yesterday. Tom planned to do that yesterday. Tom said he was happy to do that. Tom said he was happy to do that. Tom said he was ready to do that. Tom said he was ready to do that. Tom said he was told to do that. Tom said he was told to do that. Tom said he'll do that for Mary. Tom said he'll do that for Mary. Tom said I don't have to do that. Tom said I don't have to do that. Tom said I don't need to do that. Tom said I don't need to do that. Tom said Mary wouldn't do that. Tom said Mary wouldn't do that.